Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update payment method on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to update your payment method, so let's see how can you easily do that without any issue. So the very first thing, you just have to try to connect with the stable and strongest network connection. Then you have to disconnect with your VPN if you're connected. Then go to general section here, go to language and region, select a region and select your own region in which you are living. Then go back and open your software update section and just try to update your software. After updating software, go back, open your app store, then tap on the profile option at the top right and tap on your Apple ID. And here you just have to select country or region option from here, and you have to select your own country or region in which you are living, or the country or region you have just selected in your iPhone settings. So let's say I'm gonna select this one because I have already selected this. Then tap on the continue option here. Then tap on agree at the top right. Now in this screen, you have to add your payment method. So you just have to add your payment method here, enter your number, your expires, your CVV, or if you have anything else based on your location. So just select that from here and then add your payment method. After adding your payment method, you have to correctly add your billing address to prevent any kind of issue in the future. So just enter your street. These two are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode. If you don't know about this, you can search from Google. Enter your town, your country, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on an option at the top right, and your payment method will be successfully updated to your Apple ID. If you are facing any issue, so you can try to refresh your network and then retry, or you can also try to contact with your card you insure, or you can try to contact with Apple support team to get official help. So let's say I'm going to try to contact with Apple support team. Just open Apple support app. If you can't find the app, so you can easily install it from your app store, or you can use Apple support web. Select iPhone from here, select more option, or you can also look for this subscription and purchases. Then tap on update payment method, and here just wait for the loading, and then tap on this get more help option. Then down callers. After that, you'll find the phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.